Hello, I'm Ioannis from Cooking with Ioannis, and this is my barbecue happy place. We're located in London, in the UK, as you can probably tell from the weather. I like to barbecue because it gives me an opportunity to do things exactly the way I want them and exactly the way that my family loves them. And it reminds me all the culture and all the tradition that comes with it. Because barbecue isn't simply preparing like a dish to have like a decent meal. It's more than that. It's an expression of culture. It's an expression of heritage. It's an expression of tradition. And this is why I love to put all this through the barbecuing that I'm doing for my family. The favorite thing that I've done, the best thing that I've done was the brisket. And I know that this isn't traditionally Greek and it's not kind of the stuff that I'm trying to sell you guys here, but it's the thing that you see on TV all the time and people are so excited about it. So I had the chance to get some like good chunks of brisket and I tried to do this. It worked well, but next time it's gonna be even better.